Hello, everyone. I want to say a happy new year 2024. I wish you all a successful year. Hoping that everything is going to be great. You're going to be successful in this new year. Of course, we've all set our goals. We just have to make sure we follow it through consistently and to be persistent in all we have set to achieve in this year 2024. First, I want to say a very big thank you to all our esteemed viewers on Prof Dan Tutorials channel on YouTube who utilize our free resources playlist on EB2 NIW employment-based second preference national interest waiver, both the advanced degree and the exceptional ability category. To all that have reached out to us telling us how it was helpful to them to fight to self-petition in particular their case, and of course they've also gotten approved. We want to say thank you for letting us know. Also, to those who have visited us at www.stdanielsglobal.com, we want to say thank you for reaching out to us. Thank you for trusting us to help you, to assist you in revealing your petition, which you written by yourself, and you trusted us to provide you with expert views, suggestions, corrections on how to make your petition stronger. It does what it, and of course many of you have proceeded to submit and you've also gotten approval. All you are waiting for is your adjustment of status. We want to say thank you to those who also trusted us to help in assisting in writing their self-petition right from the scratch, the start to the end. We want to say thank you for trusting us. We also want to thank you that you took that step and you've also gotten approval. In the EB1A category, the extraordinary category, we also want to thank our customers, our clients in particular, who also reached out to us, consultation, and we've been able to let them know that yes, it is possible. They went ahead, they took the great step, and they applied, they use our services, and they've also gotten approval. We also have those who initially filed for EB2 NIW, and because they have a very excellent great profile, we were able to also file them in the EB1A category, and they also got approval. To all these successes, we want to say thank you. Also, in this year 2024, our goal is to reach out globally to everyone across continents, Africa, Middle East, Europe, everywhere. Mention it. Any country you reside is never a barrier. Reach out to us on our website and we can consult with you and let you know how you can go about it. There is no barrier, there is no limitation, regardless of where you live or stay or your present status, or those of you who are currently in the United States, undocumented, or on a visit visa, or on a different visa route. We also want you to know that it is very possible to still file or apply for this EB2 NIW or EB1A, and we are here to help you. Reach out to us today and the rest will be success stories. Once again, thank you. This is Prof Dan, the face of St. Daniel's Global. Thank you and have a successful 2024.